In today's video, I'm going to talk about a specific problem everyone literally faced in their early days. So you started your local SEO journey as a freelancer or as an agency owner. This video is going to be very helpful for you. So when I started my own agency in 2022, yesterday someone reached out to me on Facebook and he asked me the same question. His client is asking him that he don't have that much budget right now. He is not ready to go and invest in the website. Without the website, how much time do he need to rank his GBP profile? In today's video, we are going to talk about some specific segment. So we divided this video 5 sections. The first one is the use cases. What are the use cases of GBP profile and what are the use cases of website? The second one is area of optimization, and the last one, the conclusion. So I divided this video in 4 segments. First segment is use cases, second segment area of optimization, third segment which one is better, and the fourth one is conclusion. So if I talk about the use cases, in GBP there is always a proximity restrictions. Rank a GBP profile after a certain or range of radius. The second one is it works very well for specific narrow areas. My business is registered at my home, like from my home 5 to 10 kilometers I can get the most my all leads. GBP profile is best for inbound calls. There is a feature like added by the Google when someone search you on the Google Maps related to the services they are requiring, and if your profile is ranking on the Google Maps, they can call you. So if someone is calling you to find a solution, the quality of these calls are very good. They are ready to buy your services or they are ready to buy your products. Now if I talk about the website use cases, there is no proximity limitations. Create as many as service pages. You can target multiple service areas. You can capture the leads using the lead form, and then the same thing you require more efforts. The second chapter of this video, area of optimization. So for the GBP profile, the area of optimizations are very limited. So there is you can optimize, you can create Google post, you can optimize the product section, you can add the combination of business categories, you can add decent descriptions optimized for your business, you can do some images, you can do some videos. But if I talk about the website optimization sections or segments, you can create the location pages, you can create service pages, you can create blog sections, the technical part, the on-page SEO, the backlinks. So there are more things, more options you have while we talk about a website optimization segment. If we talk about the third chapter of this video, which one is better? Both these platforms has their own unique features. So if you are really want to get the calls from your nearby areas, I always prefer to go with GBP. If your budget is not that much high, which requires in case of you also want to get ranking on Google search, GBP is the best option. If there is no issues related to the budget and you can spend a good decent amount on the money, then the website is the best option. According to me, the best combination, which is the best, is you need to spend a little more money on your website along with the GBP profile. You should have both these properties. And now the last segment of this video, the conclusion part. So in my own experience, the businesses who has parallelly is spending money on their GBP profile and the website, the results they are getting are much better than someone who is just spending money on their GBP profile, only working on their website. GBP can rank much faster compared to the website. Like if you want to rank your website in search for your specific areas, you might need some more time to get the desired result. Next time when someone asks you the same question, how much time you need to rank them on the first page, how much budget they require, your answer should be way more simpler than you need to optimize their website and their GBP profile simultaneously, and the budget is always depends on the level of competition for that particular area. If you have seen the major players on the first page, then you need to create the entire audit document to the client. You need to mention that these are the big giants. Just go and look at their content profile, just look at their backlink profile, and just extract all the data and show and present everything to the client. Ask him about how much money he is ready to pay right now. According to the money he is spending, you can change the range of your deliverables or change the range of your expectation. My point to create this video is to answer this specific question in a proper way, so that you can easily understand and you can feel more confident about asking the question to the potential clients in future. I really hope you got some value from this video. Keep supporting, subscribe the channel, like the video and share this video to all of the guys who just started their journey in local SEO.